Example 12, gentlemen and ladies. Two fair dice are thrown. X is the event. The score on the first die is divisible by 2. So the probability of X is 3 out of 6 or a half, because there are 3 numbers on one die which are divisible by 2. Now the probability of X, but before we get into the probability of Y is the event, the sum of the scores is 8. So the probability, the sample space is equal to 6 by 6, which is 36. And Y is 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3, and 6 plus 2. That is Y. So the probability of Y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 36. Now, the probability of X intersect Y. All right. So this is where X and Y have something in common. It's here. This is 1 event, 2 events, 3 events. So this is 3 out of 36. All right. Now we're asked to find the probability. Gentlemen, the talking is distracting. The probability of X union Y is the probability of X plus the probability of Y minus the probability of X intersect Y. So that is a half plus 5 over 6, 36, sorry, minus 3 over 36. So this is 18 over 36, 23 over 36, minus 3 over 36. So this is 20 over 36, which works out to be 5 over 9. All right. Let's move on now to let's move on to 13. Example 13 says, in a survey with 120 students. All right, first of all, I'm going to draw a Venn diagram for this. So this Venn diagram, S is 120 students. Now, in here, we have students who do physics. We have students who do chemistry. And we have students who do physics. How many students? This is what? 56. We have students who took math. This is 56. Physics is 16. We have students who do chemistry, 42. Somewhere out there, you see that 6 students do what? All 3. we're told that 32 do both physics and mathematics. 32 do both physics and mathematics. 34, so this would be 28. We're told that 20 do mathematics and chemistry. So this is 14. We're told that what 16 do physics and chemistry. So this is 10. All right. So we could work out here. We could work out here, here, and here. So can somebody work out those three for me, please? Math is 8. Physics is how much? 10. And chemistry is how much? 12. All right, we're sure? All right. Now, how many students do no subject? Well, we're talking about the students who do no subjects would be what? P union M union C complement, don't it? It's the complement that do no subject. Want to know how much people out here, so let's find that out. First, let's find P union. I'm going to use the formula, but you didn't have to. You could have just used the numbers here, but I'm going to use the formula. The number of elements in P union M union C is the number of elements in what? P, sorry, yeah, not probability. The number of elements in P plus the number of elements in C plus the number of elements in math minus the number of elements, sorry, the number of elements in P intersect C minus the number of elements in P intersect M minus the number of elements in M intersect C plus the number of elements in P intersect M intersect C. So I'm using the formula to get the answer. This is 60 plus 56 okay, sorry, I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use the values at all. I'm just going to use the values that they gave me. So you can double check it and then they can make me correct it on the second time around. Plus number of elements in M is what? Sorry, C is 42. 42. M is 56. Minus the number of elements in physics and chem is how much? 16. Minus physics and mathematics, 34. Minus mathematics and chem, 20, plus 6. Word this out from it very quickly and tell me what you get. How much? How much? So there's 94 in the union. But what we're asked is the number of those who do no subjects. So these are the people who altogether do these subjects. So the answer for A is P union M union C complement is 120 minus 94. This would be what? 26? What is the next question? So 26 persons would be out here. Did you check if the answers are correct, the numbers are correct? Aware of physics? All right, next. I'm not using those numbers at all, so it doesn't matter. Mathematics, but not physics or chem. Mathematics, so this person does mathematics, but not physics or chem. So mathematics, but not physics or chem. B. I'm asking you for the probability. Is it probability that asks? Find the probability. Oh, we didn't finish. It's probability that asks for. So the probability of P union M union C complement is 26 out of 120. Now, the next one is the probability for what? Mathematics, but not physics and not chem. So what I'm basically asking you for is B, the probability for mathematics intersect P complement, intersect C complement. So this is mathematics, but not physics and not chem. So mathematics, but not physics and not chem. M, so that should be in here. Mathematics, but not physics and not chem. Is that 8? I'm asking you now, y'all, is it 8? Or do I need to find a different way to get it? Huh? 8 out of 120? But is there a different way we could have gotten it? Is there a different way we could have gotten it? Soon. 11. It's almost time. Is it 8? I didn't work it out. I only give me the number of them. So is it 8? No, I'm wondering if there's a different way. I didn't. It's simple mathematics, man. Simple what? Add up this and this and this and take it away from 56. So it's the 28 plus 6 plus 14. Take away from what? 56. We want to get 8. So this is 8 over what? 120. I'm just wondering if there's another way we could have done it. Anyway, see, what does C ask for? Probability of what? But not talk to me now. Probability of physics and math, but not chem. So it's a probability of what? Physics intersect what? Math intersect what? C what? Complement. Let's find that area. Physics and math, but not chem. Physics and math, we need to identify the area. Physics and math, but not chem. It says physics and math, but not chem. I think that's in here. Tell me if you agree. Yes, sir. 28 people do what? Both what? Physics and what? Math, but what? Not chem. So the probability is what? 28 out of what? 120. All right, are we good?